Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check for these software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's open the settings. Right here, we need to scroll all the way down, and as you can see here, we've got this section software update, so just tap on it. Now let's tap on check for updates, and basically you will meet two different scenarios. So the first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download, and you're good to go. Basically, you can just close this section. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, the name of the update, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. And as you can see, in my case, the update is already downloaded, and now all I need to do is to basically restart the device to finish the update. So this is what you will see after downloading the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.